For Clermont homeowners, a secure home begins with strong, well-installed doors. While locks and alarms are essential, the door itself is the first line of defense against intruders and environmental threats. Investing in a quality door replacement can significantly enhance security, not just during storm season, but all year round. Upgrading to stronger, more durable materials. Older doors, especially those made from thin wood or outdated hollow core designs, are more vulnerable to forced entry. Modern door replacements offer superior strength through materials such as solid wood for a timeless, sturdy look, steel for maximum impact resistance, fiberglass for durability, weather resistance, and customization. These newer materials are built to resist warping, cracking, and splitting, which means they maintain their integrity over time, providing reliable protection year after year. Enhanced locking mechanism. A new door installation often comes with upgraded locking technology. Homeowners can choose from multi-point locking systems that secure the door at several points along the frame, smart locks for keyless entry and remote access, deadbolts and reinforced strike plates to prevent kick-ins. By combining a strong door with modern locks, you greatly reduce the risk of unauthorized entry. Better frame and hinge security. It's not just the door slab that matters, the frame and hinges are equally important. Weak frames can be pried open, and old hinges can be tampered with from the outside. Door replacements in Clermont often include reinforced frames made from steel or solid hardwood, tamper-proof hinges with non-removable pins, strike plates anchored into wall studs for extra strength. These upgrades make it far harder for intruders to exploit weak points around your entryways. Weather-resistant features that protect year-round. In Clermont, homeowners face not only security threats but also heavy rains, high humidity, and hurricane risks. Modern doors are built to withstand extreme conditions with impact-rated glass inserts for beauty and security, sealed edges to prevent water intrusion, and wind-resistant construction that meets Florida's building codes. This means your door won't just keep out unwanted guests, it will also keep out severe weather. Improved visibility and lighting without compromising safety. If you like natural light, you don't have to sacrifice security. Many modern replacement doors feature decorative, shatter-resistant glass or built-in blinds that provide privacy and visibility without weakening the structure. These designs let you monitor who's at your door while keeping your home secure, especially at night or during bad weather. Peace of mind and property value boost. Home security isn't just about preventing break-ins. It's also about how secure you feel inside your own home. Replacing your door can give you peace of mind knowing your home is protected. Increase your property's value for potential buyers. Enhance curb appeal, making your home more attractive without sacrificing function. Final thoughts. Replacing your door in Clermont is a smart investment that delivers safety, durability, and comfort all year long. From modern materials and high-tech locks to weather-resistant construction, a well-chosen replacement door will protect your family and property for years to come. If you're ready to improve your home's security, consider partnering with a local, experienced door installation specialist who understands Clermont's unique climate and safety needs. With the right professional guidance, you'll enjoy both enhanced protection and a stylish upgrade to your home's exterior.